welcome back.
Hi.
Too Many Freaking Crafts. I'm here with my oldest son, Ethan.
Hey everyone. You can call me Professor E, actually.
Professor E is what he's also called on his YouTubing world.
So what will we be experimenting on today?
Oh, experimenting.
That's why I do.
Because he's a professor. Okay.
Professor.
I'm not a professor.
Professor!
Anyways, so continuing our Rainbow Brite custom Funko Pop series here. We're making friends for this little lady and her little friend. We've already done Shy Violet, Patio Green, Red Butler, Buddy Blue, Violet Orange. What we're working on today is Starlite. Woo!
Seems you guys were actually working on that for a bit of a while. You're kind of editing it in each video.
And then we're also working on Indigo. And I actually read somewhere that her full name is supposed to be Indigo Doll.
Indigo Doll.
Yeah. Everyone else is like Shy Violet, Canary Yellow, stuff like that. But hers is Indigo Doll. So, but in the show, they just call her Indigo.
You don't say.
I will be working on Starlight. Ethan will be working on Indigo. So whatever you want to work on, let me know what colors you need and we will do it.
Let's see, skin first, so we can get that out of the way.
Okay, we have to invent our own brown. I have some tan too.
Tan might work better. Tan with a bit of a brown.
A little bit of brown, yeah. I'm also going to be working on another sprites for Red Bella. He lost an antenna, and I'm still painting his face. And I need to make his belt. And
oh, well, this actually doesn't seem good.
Okay, so I have some of these paints are handed down from Grandma Jane, my mom. So these are the only browns I have. So I'm hoping
we can actually work on
we
it.
can make them work. So there's something in there somewhere. Okay.
Oh!
Yeah, that's a lot.
You ignorant, disgusting clod!
We're gonna need more of this.
Okay, you can mix it. Like, pull it over here and mix that and that over here. Don't mix. No, don't do that.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Yeah. So what I'm gonna say is, take a little bit of this, take a little bit of that, make your own color off to the side.
Oh, that actually might work. That would work.
Yeah, you think that's good?
That'd be maybe just a bit darker. But
A bit darker. She is a black girl. Not sure where she's supposed to be from, so she is from Rainbowland. So I don't know how did that would make her. Everybody else is pretty white, yeah. The color kids.
White.
Okay, so meanwhile, while Ethan is working on turning our pasty girl into a black girl, we're going to work on our Starlight. Okay, our next color on Starlight is going to be green. Should I go for this green or this green? What do you think?
this green.
That green? Okay. Alright guys. His Starlight's tail and his mane have the colors of the rainbow. Because he is the magnificent horse in the galaxy and he rides on the rainbow.
He rides upon the rainbows.
It's okay, we can paint over it. It's okay, we can paint over it.
Oh, dang it.
The motto in crafts. It's okay, we can always paint over it or glue it back.
I don't like it. Take it red.
Glue it back.
By the way, Mommy, I've been thinking.
Yes.
Our minion, we have remember our caveman minion?
Yes.
I'm thinking his arm keeps falling off,
Oh man.
and his hairpiece is like
Yeah, his hairpiece is really like clumsy, and it's flimsy. It's flimsy. I invented a word.
What if we like recreate his arm?
We could do that. And some of these top toys and customizing, we made all new arms.
Yeah.
For our custom Funko Pop of Daddy, we made our own arm holding a Mountain Dew can. That's his favorite drink.
Yeah, he's actually addicted to that.
We're probably gonna bury him with a case of it.
So I'm done with here right now?
For now, yeah. So you can kind of like take a break from that. You can start working on something else if you like, as far as like other clothes. Or if you don't want to tempt it, you can walk away. Okay, this is his first coat. Some brown skin for our indigo. Okay, it'll be better next round. The next one I'm going to have you use a little more flat square brush. So you can it'll make it so you don't have like the streak marks.
Okay.
Yeah, here we go. But yeah, we good. I like it. Okay, so yeah, he's got a little bit of green on him.
And he's good, looking good.
Looking good, looking good. Sweet.
Next will be purple. No, not will be blue. Then purple.
Then purple. We don't do pink, because pink isn't actually in the rainbow. I don't care what anybody says.
Blue, purple, and then violet of some sort. Like some sort of
Yeah, well,
indigo.
according to Rainbow Land, you have shiny violet and then indigo. For some reason, they have two purples. Dance break, dance break. Don't mix it, mix it, mix it.
Wait.
Don't mix it.
This is fun.
Yes, it is. I like doing it. Okay, I think I've mixed enough. Does it look like it's all one color?
It looks like it. I mean, let me really like roll it. Let me see the whole thing.
Okay. Yep. All right. Means I can use my hand. Oh no, he dabbed. Don't dabble in dabbing.
What's wrong with? I feel like I feel like I've heard that like the dab means a swear word in another country.
Well, of course,
Is it-
everything means something in another country.
I feel like that's
the
just-
word bolt means something that in another language.
Actually, that is true.
I don't know what the word is though.
But bolt is a swear word for Latin. It's a swear word in Latin.
In Latin, okay.
Yeah. So they changed it to volt when they.
Yeah, the movie Bolt, they had to change the name to Volt when they released it. In Rome? Or wherever
like in
they
Italy.
still speak Latin. Oh, they spoke Italian.
I think it's the same thing.
Is it?
This Mr. X says Spanish and Italian are the same language.
Okay, so we're gonna make our little...
Yeah, actually, your green shoe is actually kind of showing.
Oh, we're gonna paint that part. But right now, I gotta make her little, like... English egg? This is really thin.
Very thin.
You were very thin.
Oh.
Your mom's very thin. Oh, thank you. Everyone's like, what? Mom, you're talking about yourself again.
Are you talking to yourself?
I think I've ever actually heard you walking around talking to yourself.
Yes, where do you think you get it from?
Very good point.
Because I do. They all do. The one that doesn't is Daddy. He's the only semi-normal one in the house.
I think I actually now agree that we need to do a different coat of paint because actually it looks like she did a poop of smudge all over her face.
Like she's wearing, like she got mud on her face. Not that it's her skin tone.
Yeah.
This is harder than it should be.
Why is this so hard?
Okay, so she has sandals now. Woohoo! Gotta make her stars.
Is it dry? Is the paint dry?
Paint is dry. So don't touch her shoes.
What about that paint?
That paint's not dry. That's a huge, massive puddle of poop brown. And it's gonna stay that way for a while. Okay, this paint takes a little while to dry,
Yeah.
especially in huge puddles. So if you want to get a brush, so second coat, when you're ready for second coat, you need to do something like, ooh, this is a good one. More flat, straight, and you'll put some on and then you'll kind of smooth it over, make so there's no streaks. Alright, so I'm gonna go back to working on our little sprite friend, the Silver Butler Sprite. You can see him up close. I think the same kind of. Hey, BoBo, you're eating
I'm done. Oh no. What? What? I'm dying.
You're sorry for what? I don't understand. What happened? I don't know.
Babs, I am so confused.
Oh yeah, I'm doing it. Look, right there. It's good.
Oh, now it's starting to look like skin and not a mud facial. Okay. Oh no, I told you don't touch her. Oh, you were fired. Fired. You ruined the shoes. Lucy, stop opening the door. It's okay, it's okay.
Okay.
I still love you. We all make mistakes. You know how many times I've ruined my own things?
So what is this? Does this look good?
Okay, put it a little closer so I can't see it. Better, right? Looks like it's skin and not mud, right?
I love it.
It's better. It is not.
Much better. Do a bit more.
Doing good. Lily, you're doing a good job. Rock that. We are getting down. When we're done with these two, we're going to be down to the last three. The last three characters. So I know what you're thinking. You're going, wait a second, but there's only one more color kit. That's true, but we're also making Murphy and Lucky.
Good point.
I'm excited about those guys, so it's going to be fun.
I want to help with those.
Of course.
Because of the bad guys.
Bad guys. Ethan likes bad guys. Ethan's a good guy that likes to play bad guys. Just
Yep.
like his dad.
My favorite bad guys are the ones that are all like maniacal and
And here's Lucy.
she returns.
She's back. She's like, ah, bam, baby, I'm here. Okay, we will fix her shoe later. Okay, so I have the antenna waiting, and I made too much clay again. Like, it's so hard for me not to make too much clay.
Can we just put it back in?
Nope, because I have to use it, or it will go bad.
Dang it, what are we gonna do?
I have a hard time making a sprite that's actually the right size. If you look at this dude and this dude, there's a significant size difference. So it's hard to make them as small as they do.
Then what you need? Well, I think I kind of thought of like, oh, Lucy.
Lucy, what are you doing?
Fine, I'll get off the chair, but I'm still
She's
here.
so mean.
I'm still here.
Lucy.
She
wants to stop. She wants to ride him. He's the horsey. He's the sparkle pony.
Sparkle pony!
Sparkle pony. Make our own little version of this guy, because there's 7 color kids. I need 7 sprites. So what I've been doing in the past, making the face separate and then building around it. But I think that's why, part of why it's coming so big. Yeah. Okay. How I make this texture is by using the tip of a pen, or like one of those gel pens, the retractable ones, and then when it's retracted, I just use that to make the little bubbles. So it's like the kind of the sheepy texture-y
Oh no, that's one more a cow.
It looks like a cow. A cow lamb. A cow lamb. What do you want? What do you want?
That's weird.
Hey,
Done. Hi.
There are all these people! Where are these people coming Say hi. Are you tired? I'm tired. It's bedtime. We're waiting for my bed. Yeah. Alright, who wants to say bye? Say bye. Bye. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.
We will see you again next time on Too Many Freaking Crafts.